Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making sandwich for breakfast. In a hot wok add 2 tablespoons of oil and I am adding 1 medium onion chopped. Cook for 2 minutes and now I am adding 1 egg and stir it quickly. Now I am adding 200 grams of boiled chicken. Add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Now mix well and cook for a minute. Now I am adding half cup of cabbage. Cook for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, turn off the flame. Now I am using 4 slices of bread. Cut the corner of the bread. Now spread the mayonnaise. Now it's ready. Take a 1 bread slice. Add chicken. Take another bread slice and place over it and press hard. Now spread mayonnaise again. Add chicken. Take another slice and place over it and press hard. Spread mayonnaise again. Add chicken again. Take another bread slice and place over it and press hard. Now 4 layers of bread slice is complete. Now cut from here with carefully. Now yummy sandwiches is ready for breakfast. Please love it, try it and eat it and tell me how it is. And please like the video and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.